Alright guys, welcome back to another video, day number 12 guys, of my Thanksgiving Day menu. I'm coming in with another Southern classic right here. This is going to be some nice good string beans and potatoes, a little bit of that pork meat. Guys don't eat pork, use you some turkey meat. It'll still come out pretty good for you. But all I got me is 2 packages of this string beans right here, green beans, whatever you want to call it. This is my go-to when I can't get absolutely fresh beans. I like this brand right here. So I got me 2 bags of this. Not going to be making a big batch of it. And you can see over here I got my smoked pigtails. I couldn't get my ham hocks, so settled for the next best thing, some smoked pigtails. I'm using a couple of those inside of here, and this is going in the crock pot guys. So I'm going to get this all cleaned up. And we're going to go over to our crock pot, and we're going to work smarter and not harder this Thanksgiving, guys. Alright guys, I am back. Got my smoked meat down in the bottom of my crock pot here, guys. Now all I'm going to do is come in here and add some water to it. I just want enough water to just slightly cover it. I don't like a lot of liquid inside of my beans and collard greens and stuff. I know some people love all of that pot liquor and all of that, but I just like the beans and the potatoes and the meat. So I just add a little water in here just to slightly cover this. Then I'm going to come and season it up. I add just a little black pepper and just a little salt, because that meat has some salt in it. Not going to be adding any of those funny seasonings inside of here, guys. I don't want to overdo it. I keep it simple. Black pepper, salt, and I'm good. Guys can see I got my butter down over there, getting that room temperature. Going to be cooking my pies. Going to be cooking my buttermilk biscuits. Guys, you see all of those videos this weekend. Gonna see my fried turkey video this weekend and macaroni and cheese. So I'm gonna be in here getting the final touches on all of those, so I can get all of those out by this weekend and wrap this thing up. I think I got about 5 more videos I want to get out, and I'm gonna be done. I'm gonna start getting ready for Vlogmas, because Vlogmas is gonna be here, and Vlogmas, you're gonna have to post a video every day, and that's a task, guys. But I did it last year, the year before, so I'm ready for it. Alright, so I got my green beans and potatoes in here. That's just regular russet potatoes. Now I'm just gonna give that a mix, just to kind of get everything settled and nice and even. And my top will lay down nice and even, I should say. And I'm gonna come in here and top it off. And I'm gonna set this thing on, what did I set it on? I set it on high for 6 hours. That's what I did. Covered, put it on high for 6 hours, and I just left it just like that overnight. Woke up and it was smelling absolutely wonderful inside of here. I'm working smarter, not harder this Thanksgiving, guys. So after 6 hours, came back, boom, look how quick that was. Look at how absolutely delicious this thing looks. Give it a nice mix. You see, it still has a nice liquid in the bottom. Those beans look nice and tender. Those potatoes are holding up nicely. Gonna check this meat right here. We're gonna check this piece of meat, see if this meat is tender. Absolutely. Look at that. That's a nice pot of green beans and potatoes right there. Absolutely wonderful pot of green beans and potatoes. And no one stood over a hot stove to do it either. And I'm not going to do a taste test, guys, because last year I did all of those taste testing of those food, and when Thanksgiving got here, I did not have the appetite for any of those foods. So this year I'm doing as less taste testing as possible, just cooking this food and putting it away. And then Thanksgiving, I'll probably have a nice sit down taste test of my dinner with you guys. But that is it, guys. Nice quick little green bean and potato videos in the crock pot. You guys try to take it easy and not overdo it, make any cut shots or shortcuts that you could take the load off of yourself so that you could enjoy Thanksgiving instead of over that stove slaving. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Please follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Twitch TV, and Pinterest. Cooking and Chilling with Kenny. And I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget the hashtag, guys. Take your burdens to the Lord and leave it there. Peace.